Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. A grey and blue pallu with zigzag lines printed in the pink, and we have a deep grey color blouse piece, bluish grey. On the saree here is in brown and blue base, very elegant prints in green, and for the blue base we have pink used for printing. Excellent saree, beautiful color combination, very different and rare with authentic silk work. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue shade color pallu and blouse piece, all in the same color, running concept. Pallu have zari lines also. It's a very different shade of blue, kind of indigo shade blue, with the prints completely in contrast pink and green color shades, floral as well as leaf pattern printed. Excellent one with zari borders in both sides, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. A very beautiful Ananda blue shade color pallu with zari lines and same blue blouse piece. Contrast one for the body color. The body color is a beautiful goldish mustard yellow color. The top we have a black base for the floral prints with zari borders on the base, same pallu color, and we also have a pink borders in the bottom with beautiful black prints. Mango design, beautiful saree, contrast combination, ultimately beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. A very beautiful maroon saree, beautiful maroon shade color in the middle portion. Top and bottom we have black with fully cream color floral design printed, and we also have the borders which is blue, and we have a beautiful contrast pallu, deep Prussian blue shade pallu with zari lines, and the blouse piece here is in the running color. Excellent sarees with authentic silk work. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have royal blue and prints in the pallu, along with that zari lines also given in the pallu with same royal blue, bright shade given for the blouse piece. It's completely contrast to the body color. The body color is in cream base with yellow prints fully given, and we also have border designs, and the zari border is on the bright royal blue shade. A very different and colorful saree with authentic silk work. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. A very beautiful blue saree with prints in both sides of the borders, black and red used for the prints, and we also have royal blue color borders. The pallu here is a double color one, very elegant dual color pallu with zari lines, and we have body color blouse piece. Elegant saree with beautiful prints, blue combination, and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a purple shade color saree with green prints in this pallu, having beautiful elephants and peacocks, and we also have zari lines in the pallu, and we have same color blouse piece. It's a very elegant pink and purple mixed shade color of the saree, as well as the prints are very elegant, green and yellow used for the printing. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. A very beautiful multicolored pallu on the black base. The block prints is also given in half white here with zari lines, and we have a blue blouse piece, Ananda blue shade. The saree here is in beautiful pink shade, darker pink, almost a purplish pink it is. With top and bottom we have the zigzag lines printed, and we also have yellow base for the rose design prints. Excellent one, multiple prints used here with authentic silk work. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a pink saree with yellow prints. The pallu is also having yellow prints with very elegant zari lines. Same color blouse piece with temple yellow borders in the blouse piece also. The complete saree is having beautiful temple border and butta design, which is block printed using yellow, and we have the zari borders in golden color. Excellent pink, always demanded color with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a multicolored pallu, multiple colors, as well as a contrast blouse piece. It's a yellow, golden yellow color blouse piece with one side maroon borders. The saree is very different one here. You have a beautiful multi-colored combination vertically given. See all over the saree, it's a vertically multi-colored pattern with zari borders, and the borders also have multiple colors with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A beautiful green pallu, deep forest green shade pallu, and we have same color blouse piece with one side blue borders. A very different colored saree, elegant combination. The saree here is something between peach and skin color, very elegant shade, and on it the big leaf pattern is printed using multiple colors. The borders of the saree is also in the deep green. Excellent and different colored saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a dual color pallu with beautiful black prints in it, and we have very elegant deep magenta shade blouse piece, a wine color almost, and we have blue body with dragonfly bird and very elegant black prints in the borders, and we also have the deep wine color in the borders. Excellent saree, very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful rust color pallu with blue prints in it. We also have zari lines and same rust blouse piece with green border one side. The saree here is in a beautiful green shade with all over blue used for printing, all over printed design, geometric pattern in the borders, and the butta type printing in the body. The orange borders adds beauty to the saree with zari border, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A multi-colored pallu here, black, blue as well as maroon in the pallu with zari lines, and we have a contrast black color blouse piece with one side maroon borders, completely contrast to the body color. The body color is center part is completely Ananda blue, and top and bottom we have dull finish half white with temple border done in black and red floral design printed. We also have the zari border which is in the base of black, which is an antique saree. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful red saree with a block printed pallu, and we also have zari lines in the pallu using yellow and green colors. The blouse piece here is a running color, same red plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. Saree is a very elegant one with different prints, yellow used for the printing, the instrumental playing design, and we also have two sides a floral design border and a zari border. Excellent colored saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful multi-colored pallu here with zari lines, and we have a beautiful deep royal blue color, almost a Prussian blue color blouse piece, completely contrast one. The saree here is in a sky blue shade, almost copper sulphate and sky blue mixed color in the middle. Top and bottom we have beautiful dull finish half white color with prints all over. The royal blue, the deep Prussian blue is given for the blouse, the border design. Excellent saree, fully printed one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful mild red color pallu with floral design hand prints in the pallu vertically along with zari lines, and same red blouse piece, a contrast blouse piece with the body color border one side. The body color is a dull finish gold here, very elegant one. With the bottom we have grey with the prints in half white, which is a tribal beautiful animals pattern, and top and bottom we have the red borders in the saree. Beautiful and different colored saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa by Tassa block printed sarees, premium quality with elegant color combinations. Here we have a light green color pallu with zari lines and zari border. Same light green blouse piece, very different combination to the saree. The saree is in cream base color, mild sandal tinge cream, and we have a pink color birds design printed, and the printing is done in a very different increasing and decreasing kind of a staircase pattern. We also have the prints in the top. The borders of the saree is completely in the green pallu color base along with the zari borders. An excellent concept saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. A beautiful red pallu with block print design vertically done, and we also have zari lines with same red blouse piece. One side gold color given for the blouse piece border. The saree here is almost in a dull finished gold color. Beautiful one, plain in the top, and the lower half alone we have the prints on the grey base. It is a Pochamballi design, elephants and floral pattern printed. Thin border is also given along with the zari borders in the saree. Very different colored saree with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dual color pallu, navy blue and maroon in the pallu with block prints and zari lines. And we have a wine color, deep burgundy and wine mixed color blouse piece, a contrast one. The same color is used for the prints here, and here we have a brush painted design all over the body, and we also have rectangular blue prints and border design also in blue. Very elegant and beautiful collection, a trendy and new exclusive one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful rusty orange color pallu with green deer design prints. Very different and beautiful prints it is with zari lines. And we have same color blouse piece, a contrast one for the body. The body here is very pretty blue, Ananda blue shade, light and very elegant color. With the top also, one at a row we have a deer printing. In the lower part we have two at a row in the prints, the big deer prints in green, and the rusty orange color adds beauty to the saree. Elegant combination, very different and beautiful color combo with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A black pallu here with prints all over, and we also have zari lines. Same black blouse piece, one side maroon borders. The saree here have beautiful maroon and brown mixed shade color, and we also have another design which is in base peach color, and the prints are done using black. The lower half of the saree is completely different, half saree type. The black in the top, and we have the same design, the checks pattern in the bottom. Elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dual color pallu, grey and blue in the pallu along with the zari lines, and we have the same copper sulphate blue color blouse piece with one side grey borders. The saree here is in cream base with all over printed using pink color, single peacock feather design all over printed, and we also have the border design printed using pink. The zari border base is here grey. A different concept saree, the colors are very different with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a copper sulphate blue color and brown color in the pallu along with yellow color also with zari lines, and we have the same blue blouse piece with one side yellow borders. Very different combination. The saree here is in cream base with the brown and yellow green used for the printing, big floral design and motif design printed. The border design also printed here with the blue color base given for the zari borders. Different saree, very rare combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Very beautiful purple color pallu with base given as a light bluish grey color, and the purple color is used for printing, and we have zari lines also. Same deep purple color blouse piece, completely contrast one with blue borders. The saree here having a beautiful pastel shade, light blue as well as grey mixed color it is with prints in pink color in the middle portion. Top and bottom we have a very elegant floral design printed using blue and green. The borders of the saree is also in purple. A pastel shade saree with a combination of dark color, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green shade, grey and green mixed shade color pallu with same color blouse piece. One side pink borders in the blouse piece which can be used for the sleeves. The saree here is light dull finish, light green and grey mixed shade color on half white, and we have fully the green shade used for the batik printing here. All over the saree it's been printed, and along that we have pink and yellow used for the rose design, rose and lotus. Very elegant one. With the borders also in the pallu color. Different saree, exclusive collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. With zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green shade saree. A very elegant green, parrot green shade with maroon prints on it. The pallu, and we have zari lines also. With same light green shade, little lighter shade green for the blouse piece, which is same as the body. Body is very different here. The top portion is completely red base, maroon base with the green prints, and the lower half of the saree is completely in green with the printing in the motif type design. Very different one in a half saree model design, printed very elegantly with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. With zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful multicolored pallu. We have rusty orange, pink as well as green in the pallu along with the block prints and zari lines. And a very contrast green. It's a beautiful olive green shade color blouse piece with one side the rusty orange color borders. The complete saree is having the green border for the base of the zari border, and here we have a beautiful colors in the saree. The mid part of the saree is something in a reddish rusty orange color. On the top and the bottom we have pink prints, and the between portion we have the cream portion that is having a green and yellow prints. Beautiful saree, multiple printing, and the colors of the saree is really beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu. The complete saree color, the pallu color is in a very different light green shade. Excellent different shade it is. A sea turquoise and sea blue mixed shade color. And we have the prints in the choco brown color. We also have zari lines in the pallu. The same colors, the blouse piece color also here. Plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. The complete saree is having the same color concept with the top completely a printed one. Choco brown color is closely printed here with both horizontal and lines pattern. It is a like very beautiful design, trendy one. And the lower half is completely printed with the floral and a different design, which is also done as using the choco brown and blue. Beautiful saree, very different block print here, which done exclusive pattern with authentic silk mark.